In California, people often associate elder abuse with some type of criminal activity. It's true, there is some criminal aspect of elder abuse, but there is also civil aspect of it. And there's civil remedies available. And those are the remedies that we seek to enforce for our clients. Oftentimes, we have family from outside of California who come to Los Angeles and find out that there's been a lot of things going on with their family or with their loved ones that they don't approve of. And when they investigate a little further, they understand that the person who their loved one had been trusting to take care of them and take care of their money, take care of their home, take care of their finances, has actually been taking care of themselves. We're here to help. We're here to help stop that. It's something that from our firm, we don't like it. We don't like it when a person's been taken advantage of, and it's something that it really keeps us aggressive and aggressively trying to protect a person. It's not just the law at that point. It's really there to help the person. If you or someone you know has been a victim or you believe to be a victim of elder abuse, call us. We'll talk about it and we can help.